What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie, Happiness in Retirement, coming at you. And today I'm going to make my famous fennel salad, fresh fennel salad. It's made with lots of Italian type spices and ingredients. Italian parsley. Don't use cilantro and don't use that regular parsley stuff. Use Italian parsley, garlic, red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, fennel. And it is so refreshing and delicious. Everybody I ever served this to just really loves it. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take off the end of the fennel, put that in my compost, and then we're going to take off the stalks, and we're going to take the hairs off the stalks and put that in the compost, because I'm going to actually use the stalks here. Slice them real thin to put in the fennel like so. Real thin pieces. And this fennel is so delicious. It kind of has a licorice flavor to it, and it's crunchy, and it's just really nice in a salad. So I'll cut the stalks all to look like that. Them in the bowl. And the fennel itself, I'll cut into thin slices down to about that size. And we'll put those pieces into the salad bowl. And I'll get back to you when I'm done chopping. All right, so we got the fennel all cut up into nice little pieces like such. Looks really pretty there. And we are gonna put one bulb of fennel in this salad. 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, your favorite olive oil of your choice. 1.5 tablespoons. Make it nice and olive oily, very Italian-like. Then we're gonna put a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. We're gonna squeeze in that bad boy. Lemon juice. Get that citrus in there, make it nice and pop. Make that salad pop. Put this in my compost over here. Next, we're gonna do a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Red wine vinegar. And next, we're gonna do about 1/2 cup, I would say, of fresh chopped Italian parsley. Make sure you use Italian parsley, not that other parsley. Put that in there nice and yummy. Make it all Italian-like. Next thing we're gonna put in here is 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. So I got some kosher salt over here. Put some salt in there. Really, you're gonna spice this up to taste later on to your preference. Black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're just gonna mix this baby up. Mix it all up real nice and good. The olive oil and the red wine vinegar. Oh, you know, I forgot the most important ingredient, the garlic. You gotta put that garlic in there. Now we're gonna put, I'd say a tablespoon. See, I like my garlic, so I'm gonna go with a whole giant tablespoon of garlic, and maybe a tablespoon and a half. There we go. Can't forget that garlic. And then just mix that baby up. So you got parsley, red wine vinegar, sea salt, pepper, olive oil, garlic, and fennel. And there you have it, all nice and mixed up and oily and nice and wet. And oh, don't forget the citrus, the lemon juice. So put about a tablespoon of lemon juice in there. So there you go. It looks real pretty, see? Now I'm going to taste some. Let's see how it tastes. Manja, manja. All right. If you like my video, hit subscribe or go to the next video. Peace out. Thank you.